How much will 10 Quant be worth in 2025? In this video I share my Quant price prediction for 2025 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Quant to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Quant is on place 55 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of nearly $1.3 billion. The coin is existent since 2018 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we built the all-time high, we then saw this crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone. The demand zone where we saw the massive run to the upside. And after we tapped into this demand zone, we saw this push to higher levels again. We took out this last high, so we made a higher high and it's a very bullish sign. But after we made this high, we saw this move to lower levels again. And after that, we are in this range since 1 year. We have this demand zone where we saw multiple times this support, and then we have this supply zone, which is technically strong because we saw this move to lower levels and we already saw a rejection right here. So if we now want to see higher prices, it's very important that we go to the upside, and if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, then I think the chances high that we can see even higher prices again. And then the first really interesting price target on the way to the all-time high is this high right here, because from this high we saw this move to lower levels, and often over important highs the chances high that we have much liquidity right there. So potential price movement could look like this, that we break over the supply zone, retest it again, and then move to this high. And after reaching this high, I also expect a pullback because many people are taking profits right here. But if we then find acceptance again over this high, then the chance is extremely high that we can see higher prices. And then the last really interesting price area is of course the all-time high. And from this prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 300%. And I think this is already a great potential for a big coin like Quant. But the best coins are also exploding in the bull run over their last all-time high. And I think Quant has the potential to also explode over the last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $1,058. And I think this price target is very realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of 900%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Quant. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $1,450. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of 1,300%. So this would be an even better deal from the prices right now. And I think this kind of price targets are very realistic, because if we would compare the price of Quant right now to the all-time high of VeChain, we would have a potential of $1,150 and a 11x to the upside. And I think Quant is one of the better projects, and VeChain was in the last cycle one of the best coins. So I think this comparison makes sense, and Quant has a lot of potential to the upside. Of course guys, these are technical areas from the prices right now, but as I said, Quant has a lot of potential to the upside, and if much money flows into the crypto space, then I think this kind of price targets are very realistic, especially if we continue this bullish trend on the total crypto market cap. Then the chances high that we could reach the last all-time high, and if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we also explode over the last all-time high is there. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices for the market cap. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Quant. And I think right now we have very interesting prices because we saw this bullish momentum to the upside. We are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And we just retested again this demand zone where we retested multiple times. And from this demand zone we saw this push to the upside. So if we now see again a bullish move to the upside and take out this highs, then I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices. So I also think that these prices are already a great chance to buy right now and for the long term for Quant. But if we would see lower prices again, then I would definitely have a look at this demand zone, because at this price levels we grabbed under this low from the demand zone. We saw this move to the upside. So the chance if we come back into this prices that we see a bullish reaction is very high. So if we come back into this levels and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think these prices are a great chance to buy some coins for the long term. And of course, the lower the prices are, the bigger is the potential to the upside. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Quant, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 10 Quant be worth in 2025? If we would reach this first target, 10 Quant would be worth $10,500. And if we would reach this kind of price target, 10 Quant would be worth $14,500. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Quant. From the prices right now to this kind of price target, again, we have a potential of 1260%. And from the lower price zone, we would have even a potential of 1500%. Again, guys, these are just technical levels from the prices right now. But I think Quant is a great project with very nice potential. And I think the chances high that it could be one of the best projects for the next bull run. So I think this kind of price targets are very realistic. And if you want to see my Polkadot price prediction for 2025, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the next bull run. Feel free to check it out. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.